In a tropical forest, a flower waits. Bright, delicate, perfectly still. Pollinators approach without hesitation. Bees, butterflies, hovering closer for nectar. But this flower is not a plant, and the moment they land, the trap closes. Ambush predators face a simple challenge. Prey must come close enough to strike. But insects are cautious. They detect movement. They sense danger. Most predators hide in shadows or foliage. But one predator chose a completely different strategy. Instead of hiding from prey, it attracts them. The orchid mantis does not simply resemble a flower, it exaggerates one. Its legs resemble petals. Its body carries pink and white coloration. The entire structure resembles an orchid bloom, but studies suggest something surprising. The mantis does not copy a specific flower species. Instead, it mimics the general signal of a highly rewarding flower. Bright, visible, irresistible to pollinators. In other words, it advertises food that does not exist. Pollinating insects rely heavily on vision. They search for bright colors that signal nectar. The orchid mantis exploits this system. Its coloration reflects light in ways that resemble floral patterns. From a distance to a bee or butterfly, the mantis appears like a perfect feeding opportunity. Except the reward is a predator. Once prey approaches, the final system activates. Praying mantises possess raptorial forelegs. These limbs are designed for high-speed capture. Muscles store energy before the strike, then release it instantly. The legs snap forward in milliseconds. Spines lock around the victim. Escape is almost impossible. The flower becomes a trap, but the mantis relies on more than appearance. It relies on patience. The insect remains nearly motionless for long periods. Even slight swaying movements can mimic the motion of petals in the wind. This prevents suspicion. To approaching pollinators, nothing seems unusual, just another flower waiting for visitors. Most camouflage works by hiding. The orchid mantis does the opposite. It stands out. Bright colors, open posture, visible from a distance, because attracting prey is more efficient than waiting for it to pass by. This strategy is known as aggressive mimicry. Look at the system architecture. Floral mimicry structure, pollinator attraction signals, motionless ambush positioning, high-speed capture limbs. Imagine designing a robotic trap using the same strategy. Instead of hiding from targets, the system would attract them. Visual signals draw the target closer. Sensors detect proximity. A rapid mechanical capture system activates instantly. This is not just a mantis. It is a predator that became a flower, a living illusion. At Design by Nature, we don't just see animals, we see strategies. And this one turns beauty into a weapon. Analysis complete. I'll see you in the next file.